Hi. Do you ever have a problem with a stinky vacuum? We do. Here in Florida, we mostly have tile and hardwood floors, but there's only one place in our house, just the stairs, that we use this bigger vacuum for. And so unfortunately, it has one of those bags in it, and it gets really stinky after we like let it sit for I don't know, like a month or two, because we don't vacuum the stairs all that often. So I wanted to share a really fast trick that even kids are easily empowered to do if it's ever your job to vacuum the stairs. He actually likes vacuuming. So he likes to add in either Citrus Bliss or we like Purify also. These are our two favorites. You can use other single oils as well, like any of the citrus oils are really good for cleaning, but what it does is it helps to handle some of the yucky bacteria. And so here's all you do. You get your roll of toilet paper and you get like a super small piece. It doesn't even have to be very big. And can you go ahead and put some on here? So I'll hold it and you put it on, right? My little treasure here is going to help out, and just one drop is plenty. You can even be super cheap and impress your parents if you go find something like a napkin that was on the breakfast table that it has like only part dirty and part clean. Just get a little corner off of that. You don't even have to waste anything of toilet paper. And what we're gonna do is as soon as you turn on the vacuum, you're just gonna make sure that it's like one of the very first things. We're not gonna turn it on because it'll be too noisy. We make sure it's one of the first things that goes in the vacuum. And what's cool about this is as the air and the heat of the motor continue to like circulate, you'll start to smell a really nice Citrus Bliss smell or a Purify smell or whatever. And we really like that, not only because it doesn't smell disgusting, but it is actually getting the air clean as well. And so that's our super fast tip. I hope you guys can remember to do that. Sometimes it's just so easy, especially if you have essential oils hidden around your house, not hidden, but in different places in your house. So I hope that'll be a tip that you guys use when you're helping to make sure the home's clean. But don't forget, after you're done, you gotta put it back where mom keeps it. Don't let it stay someplace and get it lost or broken or something, right? Okay, all you responsible kids, you go ahead and keep being courageous and keep loving your oils, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.